Hello, I'm Trip Purvis, Vice President of Business Development at Platform Computing, and I'm responsible for our partner ecosystem. Our relationship with Microsoft started over 5 years ago to help address the Windows and Linux markets for technical computing. Platform and Microsoft deliver highly capable, robust, and flexible environments for engineers, scientists, and researchers. Together, we provide solutions that improve performance so that simulations can be more detailed and completed faster.
So as the general manager for HPC Server, my job is to run development, test, architecture, and program management for the HPC team at Microsoft. I think as we go forward, there are going to be three things that we struggle with as an industry and three things that Microsoft looks to solve. Kind of the way that multi-core will continue to evolve as we look at GPUs and heterogeneous cores. Second thing is going to be how we deal with really big data sets. And the third thing is this continuing evolution of the cloud. HPC is just part of an overall bigger scientific workflow. Like if you go into Wall Street, these are great mathematicians, but they're not necessarily very good at multi-core programming. They use technologies like C# and Java and R and MATLAB, and that's where they do their work. And so if we can bring multi-core programming technologies to those people and make it easy for them to create a parallel loop that's distributed across all the cores on the system, that's a game changer for them. Second big problem is the shift to cloud computing. And there are a lot of reasons that people move to the cloud or consider moving to the cloud. There's a lot of hype as well, but when you dig through all of that, there's some fundamental issues that people are struggling with. One of those issues is I need more computing power at particular points of day. I think this is something that has been great in the relationship between Microsoft and Platform because both of us look at cloud computing not as a replacement for HPC, but as something that evolves with HPC. This is an evolutionary step, not a revolutionary step. And so this kind of cloud bursting model, or I think Platform talks a lot about peak shaving as a way of going after this topic. This is a fantastic area of collaboration going forward to help people understand how do they integrate their existing on-premise systems with the cloud resources that are going to become part of their HPC system in the future. Platform, because of their history in HPC, has a lot of history, a lot of experience with what those job scheduling policies are and how they integrate into the business of how people do HPC. That's just going to be part of the policy as we do dual boot as well and switch from Windows sometimes to Linux sometimes. The Platform provides a complete solution for people in the HPC industry, and that's something that, to be honest, is needed.